Good morning, one and all. Today, our topic is low pass RC circuit and finding of transfer function to that LPRC circuit. In the previous class, we have discussed about HPRC circuit, its transfer function, and for that high pass RC circuit, we have given the step input signal. We have seen the output waveform, how it is changes. Today, we are going to study about low pass RC circuit. Here, the circuit shown here is a low pass RC circuit. In this circuit, we are having two components R and C, and it is an RC circuit, and here we are collecting the output across the capacitor. It is a low pass RC circuit and the current flowing in the circuit I. Okay, here I. Okay, now we have to find out the transfer function. So what is meant by a transfer function? The transfer function is nothing but the output by input. The output by input is called as the transfer function. So the transfer function equal to output by input. Output voltage by input voltage. So to find out the output and input, we have to write the input equation and output equation. To write input and output equation, we have to apply the KVL for the input side and output side for this LPRC circuit. Now apply KVL to the LPRC circuit for input and output, for input side and output side. Then V input of T equal to, right here the current is passing through R and capacitor C. Here R into I of T plus 1 by C integral I of T into dt. Make it as equation 1. Similarly, write down the output equation V out of T. It is equal to, we are collecting the output across the capacitor, so the output equation will become 1 by C integral of I of T into dt, and make it as equation 2. We can see here from the diagram, we are collecting the output across the capacitor. So the output equation is 1 by C integral of I of T into dt. Now apply Laplace transform. Okay. Now apply Laplace transform to equation 1 and equation 2. Now applying Laplace transform, now converting this time domain into S domain. So we get as V input of S equal to R into I of S plus 1 by SC into I of S. Similarly, V out of S equal to 1 by SC into I of S. Okay. Now substitute this V input and V output in the transfer function formula, that is output by input equation. Now the transfer function of LPRC is now the transfer function of LPRC is, here we can see this applying of Laplace transform to the equation 1 and equation 2, we get the V input of S equal to R into I of S plus 1 by SC into I of S. Similarly, V out of S equal to 1 by S into I of S. Excuse me. Now applying the transfer function, the transfer function of this circuit LPRC, it is H of S equal to V out of S by V input of S. Now substitute V out of S and V input of S in the formula. Then H of S is represented as 1 by SC into I of S by input expression is R into I of S plus 1 by SC into I of S. Now taking I of S as common, we will get as I of S into 1 by SC by I of S into R plus 1 by SC. I of s and I of s get cancels, then H of s equal to 1 by SC by R plus 1 by SC. This can be written as like this: H of s equal to 1 by SC by 1 by SC as taken as common. Then it is represented as 1 plus SC into R. Now both will get cancelled. Now here you can see this H of s equal to 1 by SC by R plus 1 by SC. Now taking the 1 by SC as common, and then we will get it as H of s equal to 1 by 1 plus S into RC. That is equal to, this can be represented as H of s equal to 1 by 1 plus S into tau. Okay, this is the transfer function of LPRC. Transfer function of LPRC, where tau equal to time constant R into C product. The components, resistor and capacitor components product is nothing but the time constant tau. Okay, this is the transfer function of LPRC. By using this, we can calculate the output expressions whenever you're giving a different non-sinusoidal circuit signals to this circuit. Okay, once again I will repeat. The low pass RC circuit transfer function of LPRC is like this. This is the circuit diagram. See here. This is the circuit diagram I am showing, and for this we have to find out the transfer function, means output by input. For that we have to apply the KVL expressions, V input by V output. Now we have to convert this time domain into Laplace transform. Applying Laplace transform, then V input of S equal to this one and V output of S. Now substitute V output by V input. After solving all these, we will get the output transfer function as H of s equal to 1 by 1 plus S tau. Thank you.